Portholes. We are doing a room tour on Carnival Glory. I've never had a porthole room. It's unique because they only have 4 of these exact type of rooms on this ship. It's kind of at a weird spot where the ship kind of bows in the front. And while it's the exact same layout as an ocean view, just with 2 small windows instead of 1 big one, it's actually classified and priced out as an interior. And to be honest, these 2 little holes in the wall fulfill the absence of a balcony way more than I thought it would. Having a balcony and being able to actually get out there and feel the breeze is awesome. But with these portholes, just being able to get some sunlight in the room, see the weather, see where the boat's at, definitely raises the value for these types of rooms for me, considering they're normally priced way closer to interiors than balconies. Beyond that, let's start from the door. This room has a lot of storage space. I just got off Jewel of the Seas in an interior, and I would say it had about half as much. You got another one, you got 3 of these cabinets. It's just a lot. And then you still have, I don't even think I opened up these yet. More storage space. I like to do my room tours towards the end of the sailing. So this is the night before disembarkation, night 3. So I have been in here a few days. Bathrooms, meh. I really do not like these curtains. But that's just kind of what you get with most older ships, even on other cruise lines. Because it's so hard to keep the water in. Also, not a big deal, but this little button was broke. The flush button. Moving on. Kind of a comfy little seat, to be honest with you. My first day, this tricked me. I'm used to the things I'm being charged for being in a fridge. But my first day here, I was so thirsty. I did not know that these waters cost $4.75. So I did end up buying one out of ignorance, but it was kind of helpful because I've just been refilling that and it's a big jug, so not too upset about it. I just got kind of fooled. That one was kind of my fault. Bigger than the other couch tables that I'm used to in these rooms. Kind of an awkward couch, to be honest. I think it was made to be also turned into a bed because it's just kind of wide. Like if you sit all the way back, your knees aren't going to fold over. Your legs are just kind of sticking out straight. The bed. The bed. This is personal preference, but these are really soft beds. Really soft bed. I don't mind that. What I don't like about these beds is you feel the split between the 2. Like if you roll over, you're gonna sink between both mattresses. On Royal and MSC, it felt like it was just one bed. These are, it's really obvious. You have a little curtain to close the portholes. I made a separate video when this was banging earlier, but this is deck 1. I'm sure that has something to do with it. But there is a loud bang that happens. And on night 1, it was happening all night long. I'm not sure if it's the waves hitting the ship, but when these are open as well, when the bangs, you'll hear that noise. Now, you can kind of fasten these tight, like so. Oops, sorry. It'd help if I got it in the video. So I guess let me redo that. So they just kind of hang there normally, but if you want to close it, you can kind of, I almost got out the video again. I got a bad habit at looking at what I'm doing and not in the camera. So you can kind of tighten it, and then there's going to be no banging or anything, and you'll have darkness if that's what you want. One thing I did like is all the options for being such an older ship. You have your USB-C, your USB, and a standard. That's pretty nice for a ship that was built in the 2000s. And you have them on both nightstands. They don't give you much else, but just the fact that they have all three options on both sides of the bed, I thought was really cool. Safety box. It is a connecting room. I didn't even know that, but it doesn't really matter. And yeah, overall, I did not mind the room. I think my favorite thing was just how spacious it was for only purchasing an interior. That should do it for Carnival Glory Porthole interior room.